Good morning, students. In last part, we have studied up to this point that how villagers sacrificed their lives and how king came to know villagers are respecting for trees and animals. So here, based on these two questions are there, do you remember that what the elders of the village used to say? Do you remember what elders of the villagers used to say? They were saying that plants and animals can live without us, but we cannot live without plants and animals. Do you think we could survive if there were no trees and animals and no animals? If there are no trees and no animals, could we survive without them? So write few points about this. This will be you for homework. You can write without plants we cannot go get food, we cannot get oxygen, fresh air. Land will look like barren land. Understood? How can we get grains, vegetables, fruits, flowers if plants are not there? We will feel very hot because trees are helping to maintain the balance of the environment. So many points are there, children, that you can write in this question. And uses of animals means how we are domesticating animals, that also you have to write here. Next is the villagers protected. The villagers' strong feelings for trees affected the kings greatly. Affected the king greatly. How the king affected? Because of the villagers' strong feelings, the king affected. He ordered that from then on, त्यानंतर, no tree would be cut and no animal would be harmed in that area. Even today, almost 300 years later, the people of this area called Bishnois, who are called as the Bishnois, Bishnois are the villagers of that area, continue to protect plants and animals. Even though the middle of the desert, this area is green and animals roam freely without fear. Understood, children? Do you remember that in class 3 you had made a tree your friend? How is your friend now? Hmm? Why don't you make a new friend this year? Have you seen how your friends, the trees, change in some ways in different months of a year? How to make a friend? Sowing seed. Sow a seed, then it will convert into sapling and it becomes a tree after years. So you have to observe the change month by month. Okay, by making a new friend, you can observe the change in that plant month by month. Write about any one tree. Does the tree flower? Suppose if you are taking an example of mango. Okay, if you are taking example of mango. Does the tree flower? Yes, it blossoms. Flowers, or we can say that it blossoms, and its blossom is known as moher. Do the flowers remain on the tree throughout the year? No. That blossom do not remain throughout the year. In which month do their leaves fall? Now, all leaves of mango do not fall at a time. Do not fall at a time. Okay. Then, next question. Do fruits grow on the tree? Yes, fruits grow on the tree, and it are ripen on the tree. When it start to ripe on the tree, we are plucking them. Okay. In which month do they grow? Their growth start in May month. In May month, April, May month. Have you eaten these fruits? Yes, we have eaten these fruits in sour as well as in sweet taste. When they are raw, that also we are eating, and when they are ripen, that also we have ate the food. Sometime back you have read in newspapers or seen TV how some film actors had to face legal action for hunting a black buck. Discuss why do people hunt? Why do people hunt? People hunt as a hobby or for their hunger. Two reasons are there, or for the purpose of trading also, for the purpose of business also, for selling their skin, for selling their teeth, or for selling their tusk, selling their hair. So many purposes are there of animals. There are rules against hunting of some animals. People can be punished for hunting. Why do you think there is this punishment? Because to live on this earth freely, it is right of every living thing. So, there are some rules for hunting some animals. These animals are becoming extinct. These are becoming extinct. So, we cannot directly hunt them. We cannot harm any living thing. That's why there is this punishment. Okay, we will stop here. In further lecture, I will continue the other part. And today I am sending some summary points that also you have to complete. Okay, thank you.